my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And in today's video we are going to review another product from Florite, which is the Flo-rite Hi Baby feeding bottle. So again, this is a polypropylene feeder for babies made out of plastic and completely BPA free, so it's safe for babies. So starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes packaged in this cardboard box right here with the illustration of the bottle right in front here. There's a Florite branding on top, you can see this. Then it says Hi Baby, which is the name of the product, feeding bottle. Silicone nipple and filter inside, BPA free. Right, let's move on to the side to see what are the contents of this pack. Here again we can see the Florite branding and Hi Baby branding right here. Feeding bottle, it says 250 ml is the nominal capacity of the bottle. Polypropylene feeder, a bottle and a teat proven to meet mothers and babies' needs. What are the content now? It says the contents are hygienic cover, filter, easy and comfort retaining cap, silicone nipple. It has a sealing disc for leak-proof transportation, ergonomic shape for suitable and safe holding. Bottle is made from polypropylene, which is BPA free, designed and produced in India. So let's go ahead and box this bottle and check the bottle out. Guys, here we go. We have opened the bottle, and right here, this is the cap of the bottle, and this is the bottle right here. We just open it up. Inside the bottle, you can see we have our filter here. This is the cap, the cover here. Here's the cover, leak-proof cover. This is the fastening. What they say is cap, retaining cap, easy and comfort retaining cap, and this is a sealing disc, so which we can just pop out. So here it comes out. Okay, here the bottle, and inside the bottle is covered in plastic right here. So you can see the bottle is right here. Hi Baby, this is a 250 ml bottle right here, and inside this, what do we have? Here, nipple inside. Here is silicone nipple that we get inside it. So this is a bottle, and we'll quickly assemble the bottle right now. Okay, we just tore open the nipple. The nipple goes into this. You need to press it from inside and it's into place. And now the next thing, we'll put in the filter. This is the filter, guys. It goes in right here. And on top of it, you just turn the cap on. And this is a complete bottle right here, sealed with the cap right here. Baby can enjoy the milk or water. So this is how it looks. An amazing design here. It has bunny rabbits on it, and the bottle also says BPA free. It has a measurement here to see how much ounces and milliliters is given right here. And the Florite branding is also on the bottle, if you can see this. For the baby you love, it says the tagline right here. So yeah, guys, this is the Florite Hi Baby feeding bottle. Guys, it's available on Amazon if you are looking to buy this Flo-rite Hi Baby bottle, polypropylene feeder for babies. It's completely BPA free. It's available on Amazon. You can check out the link in the description below. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.